to CarZone 2024, where today we are diving into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Lexus RX 350. This SUV is making waves with its bold and sophisticated design, so let's break down what makes it stand out. Starting with the front, the RX 350 features Lexus's signature spindle grille, which has been reimagined for a more aggressive and dynamic appearance. The grille is flanked by sleek, narrow LED headlights, which not only enhance visibility but also add to the vehicle's modern aesthetic. The angular design of the headlights complements the overall aerodynamic profile of the SUV. Moving to the side, the 2025 RX 350 sports a streamlined silhouette with a prominent shoulder line that runs from the front fender to the rear. This design element gives the SUV a sense of motion even when stationary. The side mirrors are equipped with integrated turn signals and feature a sleek, aerodynamic shape to reduce wind resistance. One of the standout features of the RX 350's exterior is its sculpted wheel arches, which house new, elegantly designed alloy wheels. These wheels come in various sizes, adding to the vehicle's customizable nature and allowing buyers to choose a look that best fits their style. The wide stance of the RX 350 enhances stability and gives it a commanding presence on the road. The rear of the 2025 RX 350 is equally impressive, with a distinctive LED taillight design that spans across the width of the vehicle. This feature not only improves visibility but also contributes to the SUV's cohesive look. The rear bumper is sculpted with integrated reflectors and dual exhaust outlets that add a sporty touch. In terms of paint options, the RX 350 offers a range of sophisticated colors, from classic neutrals to vibrant shades. Each color is designed to highlight the SUV's sleek lines and curves, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. The overall design of the 2025 Lexus RX 350 reflects a perfect blend of luxury and performance. Its aerodynamic shape, bold grille, and elegant details create an exterior that is both visually striking and functional. That wraps up our detailed look at the exterior of the 2025 Lexus RX 350. Stay tuned to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates on your favorite cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in